4. So in this any extensions is there are possible in this first to find out. So here the node is C, so 4. So whenever it is implemented, so extension is possible. So in this automatically, so here so automatically 5 is removed. So here the top of the element is 4. So here extension is possible. Then first the 4 element is removed. So extension node number is 6. So the 6 is enter into the first and stack. So here the top of the stack is available in the 6. So next, how to implement it? So this is the extension is possible or not. So here the 6 number node is D. So D is not possible to the extension. So that's why top of the stack is 6. First to remove the stack. So means this is the remove, and after go to the implemented by the B. So B is possible to the two more things. So here possible to the already the node number is 6 is completed, then automatically the nodes are 7 and 8. So automatically 3 is removed, then stack push into the two nodes 7 and 8. So here the top of the element is 8. So here the possibilities are done or not. Suppose here B is implemented by the C, D. So here top of the stack is 8. So automatically here no possibilities are there. So automatically the number 8 is removed. So here the top of the stack is 7. So 7 here. So 7 is any possible to the extension of the state space tree. So here the extension is possible. So that's why here the 7 is implemented by the another node. So here the implemented by the automatically number 9. So here 9 and the name is D. So here so automatically the 7 is removed, then add into the 9. So here the stack values are available into the 9 and 2. So next top of the position is 9. So in this first to identify it is in this possibilities are there extension for this state space tree or not. So here the D is not possible to the extension. So that's why top of the element in the stack automatically removed. So 9th element is automatically deleted. Now only single element is there. So that is the only 2. So here what are the possibilities to the extension? So here the possibilities are there in 3. So in this 3 nodes are available. So 10, 11 and 12. So B, C, D. So in this, so this is the state space tree for the node 2 extension. So now automatically the node 2 is by defaultly this is the first remove the 9 and automatically extension for the 2 top of the position automatically to delete the node 2 number, then insert into the 10, 9, 12. So in this that stack values are what are the elements available in that stack. So 10, 11, 12. So these are the nodes available in the stack position. So this is the way the state space tree is implemented in the depth first search. So this is the LIFO principle. This is the way to implementing the branch and bound technique. And the next method is the least cost search method. So it is mainly used to the same technique state space tree. In this method is mainly used to the cost function. So this is represented in the form of cost function. So last previous 2 methods also to calculate the cost function, but not mention the any cost, but not cost not been used for the exploration. So in this technique particularly used to the define using the problem and help to given the problem. And when we can define the cost function, once cost function is defined we can define the cost of the node. So here most of that you can use the cost function must and should to represent to the cost function, then only the node is assigned. A node whose cost has been determined. So who are implemented or who are assigned to the node of the cost, but here just like assume that yourself who are implemented by the state space tree, those persons are assume that particular node cost, then based upon that to implement this. So first of all, here the greatest value is so u0. So based upon it, best I am assume greater than u0. So basically my parent node or children nodes are given one by one to assign the cost of the nodes. And this is the example for the least cost search. Let first consider one have cost is for here also same thing previous methods. So 1 2 3 4 5 nodes there. So here names are assigned to the A B C D. So here cost, one node cost is I am assigned to the infinity. So infinity, and I am assume that so A node, second node cost is 12, and third node cost is 16, and fourth node cost is 10, and fifth node cost is 115. So this is the way I am implementing the least cost searching in this using the state space tree. So here the least cost search is main aim is to find out the what is the least cost of the node. First to find out least cost. So last previous methods are any extensions are possible or not, based upon that to implemented by the state space tree. But here the least cost search method is mainly used to the which node is decrease cost or lowest cost in the particular node. First to identify that, based upon that the tree is implemented. So here the least cost compared to these 4 nodes, so 2 3 4 5, so which one is the least cost? So here the fourth one is the least cost node. So based upon this, so the node is extension is possible or not. First to find out the least cost node, after that implemented by the so extension is possible or not. So next one is the possibilities are to check. So here the C is extension for the single node. So that's why so here the implemented by the so number node 6. So here the represent in the form of D. So here the cost assume that 15. So here no more possibilities is there. So this is the one of the example for the least cost search. Suppose here assume so C node is assumed to the, so suppose it is considered as a 9. So it is considered as a 9. So in this time I am simply here I am extension to the this node. So this is the 9 is nothing but the least cost node. So that's why here the B is the implemented. So in this time B is implemented by the 2 nodes. So possibilities are C and D, and here the nodes are 6 and 7. Suppose here C is nothing but the, suppose the cost is 6 and D node cost is suppose number 5. So here in this time, so which one is choose to implement it? So my aim is, so least cost is find out. So here in between the 2 nodes to compare this, in this D is the least cost. So here the extension is possible or not. This is the main aim of the least cost search. So in this time, so I am choosing the node 7. So because of D equal to 5 is the one of the least cost node. So in this time the D is not possible to the extension. So the final result is C and D. Suppose here I am assigned to the 2. C is equal to 2. So in this time I am choosing this one. So this is the least cost one. So in this extension is possible or not. So here also I am implemented by the another node. So here I assign to the D. Possibility extension is D. So in this time I am assigning some 8. So in this time, so D is extension. So in this time it is not possible to the another extension. So based upon this least cost search is main aim is what is the least cost of the all those things. Least cost of the all those things. So this is the main aim of the least cost. First to find out the least cost search node, then based upon that you have possibilities of the searching or not. So here fourth node is least cost node, then based upon that the extension is possible. So in this D is the none. So the no let's explore. So scope of the